visualize what you want to become. Because what you want to become, only if you visualize, I can make it into reality. Not only to your goal and all that, even your day-to-day routine. Morning, what you want, when you want to get up, how you want to feel. Describe even those details, because whatever you are visualizing, I am going to make it into reality. See, when I awaken your Kundalini Shakti, that energy needs a direction to fill you. Now what you are writing is the direction in which I am going to push that Kundalini. So this will become your reality. If not, it will go back to the old reality. Now, whatever you visualize and write, once I awaken your Kundalini Shakti, I am going to infuse that energy into this mold. If you don't visualize now properly, do this homework, Kundalini will just feel stuck. She will feel, oh, which turn to take, I don't know the route. All right, let me go back. The home was more comfortable than being on the street without knowing the route. How you want your inner image, the best inner image, best outer image, best others image, and best life image. And I tell you, I can really make it. I'm not sitting and wasting your time, I can make it. Listen, please listen intensely. Now, you have yesterday what you did, your inner image, outer image, others image, life image. Today what you did, how you are is what you did yesterday. How you want to be is what you did today. Am I right? How you are is inauthentic identity. How you want to be is authentic identity. Listen, how many of you understood? When you wrote how you want to be, your inner image, outer image, others image, life image, everything is aligned. That's always the way we want to be. Then why are we as we are? What answer you have? Pattern. See, why, when we know for sure, morning 4 o'clock we want to get up, and 4:30 we want to go for yoga, and that is the way the whole day feels so alive, then why we are not doing? Pattern. At some time you decided, without sleep your life will be hell, as if with sleep your life is heaven. It's a simple pattern. Any allergy, I can clear it. Just I'll remove that pattern and you will be free from that allergy. Now, how you are inauthentic identity, how you want to be authentic identity, this too is in front of you. Listen. Each pattern, each incompletion starts with an incident. See this column? Understand it thoroughly. Listen, I'll explain this column. Example, this person having the fear of beach. The moment he sees the beach or travels in the beach road, he starts shivering, suffocation. That suffocation, shivering is the pattern. Incompletion is fear of beach. The incident is seeing that murder. How many of you understand this? Same way, now look at all the patterns, incompletions, incidents you carry, which is not letting you to become authentic. For example, your authentic identity says, morning I have to get up 4 o'clock and do yoga. But inauthentic identity, actually at present you are not doing it. Why this incompletion. When the what is the pattern? Means early morning sleep or tiredness is the pattern. Incompletion is some belief you developed. If you don't sleep early morning, you will fall sick, you will be whole day tired, you will not be able to be active whole day. Some wrong idea you developed. Incident is any one day you fall sick for some reason, you attribute that to this and start coming to the conclusion. How many of you understand? I gave one example. Then you can come up. Evening depression. How many of you have this evening depression? Once the sun sets, you will be in low mood for no reason. Evening depression. That is the pattern. Incompletion is some incidents happened at the evening. If you look through, maybe continuously 3-4 times evening you would have had some incident, and that gets recorded into the system. Pick up those incidents, write the incidents. Like this, whatever you found out today, try to find the pattern incompletion incident.